Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Galaxy Smart Tag. First, make sure the SmartThings app is installed on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Next, power on your new Smart Tag by pressing its button firmly until you hear a sound. Then, simply place the Smart Tag close to your Galaxy phone, and it should be automatically detected by the SmartThings app, prompting you to begin the pairing process. Once your phone detects the Smart Tag, a connection request will appear on your screen. Confirm this request to proceed. You'll then need to agree to the terms and conditions to ensure proper functionality and privacy. After that, you can assign a unique and descriptive name to your Smart Tag, like car keys or backpack, making it easy to identify within the SmartThings app. Now that your Smart Tag is connected, you can customize its settings. Adjust notification preferences to receive alerts when your item is found or if you leave it behind. You can also set up automation rules, for example, having your phone ring when the Smart Tag is pressed. Explore all the tracking capabilities to make the most of your new device. With your Smart Tag fully set up, you can now easily locate misplaced items using the map in the SmartThings app. If your item is nearby, simply tap the ring button to make your Smart Tag play a sound, helping you find it quickly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily life. Enjoy the peace of mind your Smart Tag brings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.